Have you been finding it hard to download a video on TikTok without the TikTok watermark? Or you would like to have a lot of videos in your phone whereby you'll be able to post on other platforms such as Instagram and Facebook without a TikTok watermark? Today in a quick match, I am going to be showing you how to download a video on TikTok app without the TikTok watermark at all. So if you're new to this channel, I would advise you to consider subscribing to my channel because I share a lot of useful and educative content like this that is really going to help you and your business grow faster and easier. Thank you very much. Let's go into the class. Hi, what's up guys? In a quick match today, I am going to be showing you how to download a video on TikTok without the TikTok watermark. The process whereby you are going to download a video on TikTok and it's not going to have the TikTok watermark on it. So in a quick match, let me show you how to do that. Right now, I am going to open my TikTok app, and once I open it like this, I am going to look for a video. I am going to be using this profile to create the video. I am going to be looking for a video that I am going to download, and we are going to get it out of TikTok without having the watermark. Right now you come,
hey babe, just in case you need a reminder,
I guess you see this,
I love you.
you click
The best
on
thing I
the
ever
arrow
decided
right
to
here,
do was
the
to share my
arrow.
heart and my life with you.
Once you
I
click
promise
on the
to love
share
you
arrow
forever,
right here, as you
even
can
when
see
we
it,
annoy each other,
now you click
even when
on
times are
copy
hard,
link.
even when I don't like you
Once
very
you click on
much.
copy link, you are
I
going to see
will
link
always
copied
love
right
you,
here
and
at
I'm
the
never
top bar
leaving.
right there.
I'm yours.
As you can see, you can see copy link. Now that we've copied the link on TikTok, you come to any browser on your phone, either Opera Mini, either Phoenix, either whatever browser you've got. Now you click on the browser, you open the browser, and you click on the browser and you search for snaptik.app. Snaptik.app. Once you type that, you search for the snaptik.app, you're going to see this interface. Once you see this interface, the link you copied on Facebook or on TikTok, you are going to what? You're going to paste it right here. And when you paste the link right here, you're going to click on download. I guess you see that it's going to pop up an interface right now, which we are all going to see it. I guess you've seen this. You can easily click on the first download, but if you want the video to download in high quality, high duration rather, you can click on the second download under it. But I wouldn't advise you click on the second one. You can easily use the first one at the top right here, because to avoid less space in your phone and avoid less data. Now you click on the download. Once you click on the download, it's going to pop up something like this. You see play now, download, or cancel. Just click on download. It's going to take like maybe 5 or 10 seconds. You see immediately it is download. But if you, no matter how long the video is you want to download on TikTok, it must not take more than 1 minute for it to download on this snaptik.app. If it takes more than 1 minute, that means the network in that area is somehow bad. So I would have to tell you that also. That's as simple as ABC how to download a TikTok video. After downloading the video, now let me show you that the video has been saved into my gallery. Right here, I click on my gallery, you find a video that I download. Okay, let me come to this download. I click on it. Let's see it.
Hey babe,
I guess you see
just in
this.
case you need a
This is the
reminder,
video we just
I love
downloaded.
you.
I hope you find this useful. Please, if you find this useful, consider subscribing to my channel at Sell Like Crazy, because right here I help small business owners like you with digital marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, video editing, and a lot more that is going to help your business grow easier and faster. And please make sure you drop a comment if you need anything you want to know about and you're finding it hard to sort it. I will be glad to help you with that. Thank you very much. Please do give this a like and share. Encourage me to do more. Thank you very much.